Ever deployed a Kubernetes update and suddenly everything breaks? If your CI/CD pipelines aren't built for resilience, a single mistake can bring down your entire system. Today we are uncovering the top 5 Kubernetes CI/CD mistakes that lead to downtime and how to avoid them. Deploying updates directly to production is asking for trouble. If a bug slips through, you risk a full outage. Use canary deployments, gradually rolling out updates to a subset of users, or blue-green deployments, switching between two environments. Argo rollouts make this easy. It automates traffic shifting so you can monitor new releases without risking everything. Kubernetes lets you scale, but if you don't set proper CPU and memory limits, your pods might consume all resources, starving other critical workloads. So what's the fix? Always define resource requests and limits in your YAML manifest, and also use vertical pod autoscalers or horizontal pod autoscalers to dynamically adjust your workloads. The third mistake, skipping rollback strategies. Imagine you deploy a bad update. Now what? If you don't have an instant rollback plan, you're stuck troubleshooting while production burns. Instead, use Argo CD's rollback feature or Helm rollbacks to instantly revert to a stable version. Make sure to also store previous versions in your artifact registry for quick redeployment. The fourth mistake a lot of DevOps and SREs make is not monitoring CI/CD pipelines' health. If your CI/CD pipelines fail without alerts, you're deploying blind. Bugs slip through, and you only realize it when users start complaining. So use Prometheus and Grafana to track pipeline health. Set up Slack or PagerDuty alerts for failed deployments. With Argo workflows, you can automate failure handling. Mistake number 5 is using latest tag in production. Tagging your images as latest means Kubernetes always pulls the newest version, even if it's broken. So it's better to always tag your images with version numbers, like version 1.1 or version 1.2. Just make sure to follow best practices with versioning. Also, use GitOps with Argo CD to enforce version control. Now that you know the top 5 Kubernetes CI/CD pitfalls, it's time for you to level up. Want to master Kubernetes automation with Argo CD and Helm? My hands-on course teaches real-world DevOps workflows, so check it out in the link in the description. What's the biggest CI/CD mistake you've seen? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out a DevOps update.